Welcome to Explaindio 4. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can get royalty-free images using Pixabay account. On Explaindio 4, you have royalty-free images. If you click, it says fill in your Pixabay key in settings. So we need a Pixabay account and we need to get our Pixabay key. Let's go to Pixabay.com. You can sign up using even a Google account. Once you are signed up, you can log in. For example, I will log in using my Google account. On the bottom of your screen, you will see API. Click on API. Click on Get Started. View API documentation. Scroll down. Under parameters, you will see key required, your API key. And in the green box, this is your Pixabay API key. Simply select and copy your API key. Go back to Explaindio 4. Click Settings, and as you can see here, it says Pixabay key. Paste your Pixabay API key here and click Close. Now, when you click royalty-free images, you will see all the royalty-free images are loading up from Pixabay account. Create a project, create, add a scene, create new scene, add bitmap image, add image from Pixabay, click, download sketch, add, and you can see this image is added from your Pixabay account. This is how you can get royalty-free images in Explaindio 4 using your free Pixabay account. Thank you.